Why investment is important. You are earning money, but why isn't it growing? Because you are only earning, not investing. Inflation is eating your money, and you are just waiting. If you don't invest, your future will become hard. Why life isn't changing? Your life is not changing. And the reason is simple. Story. You are repeating the same habits, same routine, and same excuses. The result never changes. If you want new results, take new actions. Money-saving mistakes. You are not saving money. You are wasting it. Story. Impulse shopping and unplanned expenses make you zero every month. Learn control, or money will control you. Discipline is the truth. Motivation is a lie. Story. Motivation comes and goes, but discipline makes you work every day. Discipline equals real success. Why salary disappears? Salary comes and then disappears. Story. Without a budget, unnecessary spending and EM is eat all your money. Manage your money or you will lose it. Comfort zone problem. You are stuck because you are in your comfort zone. Story. Your comfort zone protects you from risk, but also stops your growth. If you want to grow, embrace discomfort. How rich people manage money. Rich people don't work harder, they work smarter. Story. They don't just save money, they multiply it through investments. Be smart, not just hardworking. Secret of success. Everyone dreams, but not everyone succeeds. Story. Because only those people succeed who take action every single day. And action equals success.